Is Roblox Studio crashing on you? Here's how to fix it step by step. First, check your system requirements. Make sure your PC meets Roblox Studio minimum specs and that Windows or Mac OS is fully updated. Second, update Roblox Studio itself. Open the client and let it auto-update or reinstall from the official Roblox website if updates fail. Third, update your graphics drivers for NVIDIA or AMD. Download the latest drivers from their website. Outdated drivers often cause crashes. Fourth, clear the Roblox cache. Press Windows plus R, type %local app data %, find the Roblox folder and delete the cache and temp files. Fifth, disable conflicting software. Antivirus programs or overlays like Discord and GeForce Experience can sometimes interfere. Temporarily disable them and test. Sixth, run Roblox Studio as administrator. Right-click the icon, choose Run as Administrator, and see if stability improves. Finally, if crashes persist, uninstall Roblox Studio completely, restart your computer, and perform a fresh install. And that's it. These steps should stop Roblox Studio from crashing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.